I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to spectate someone in Marvel Rivals. Step 1. Launch Marvel Rivals on your computer or gaming console. You'll land on the Marvel Rivals home screen. Step 2. Click the social icon in the top right corner of the screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Enter the Marvel Rivals username of the user you want to spectate in the Enter Here field at the top of this menu, and then click Search. Search results will be displayed. Step 4. Find the user you want to spectate in this list of results. Click that user to open a menu and then click Spectate. If that user isn't actively playing, this option will be grayed out. The Spectate screen will open and you'll immediately begin watching that user play Marvel Rivals. You can stop spectating at any time by pressing Escape or Start to open a menu, clicking Exit Spectating in this menu, and then clicking Confirm when asked if you're sure you want to exit spectating. You'll stop spectating that user immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.